Hey there, fellas. How are you guys feeling today? I, for one, am in a great mood. So one of you sent us this here video. We checked it out, had a laugh, and then we got to thinking, like, is this for real? Can you actually do something like this? So we've decided to conduct a little experiment and see everything for ourselves. Find out whether these sorts of repairs really work or not. Over here we have some noodles, of the quick cooking variety, and a tube of super glue, of course. Anyway, let's try using some noodles and super glue to fix this here bumper damage. Let's do this. Bumper repair using Asian noodles. For real? Translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. Alright, so immediately we can see the damage. Let me just give it a quick rub. Nah, this is how we're gonna do it. We might use the glue and the noodles to make some porridge. Should we add some spices? This we definitely won't need. That's the oil. The spices, though. We could add some spices. Right. Wait up. Don't smother your hand. Too late. Let me just... Oh, wow, it is hot. What the fuck is that? I suggest we try a different method. You grab the entire thing. There you go. Hold it. Now it'll stick. That's looking good. How are we doing? It looks like it's sticking. We're getting there. That's how you do it. So it soaked up the glue and now it can easily stick to the bumper. I guess we wait until it dries a bit. It's pretty hot. Of course it is, dude, from all of the friction. Now it's stuck to your finger instead of the bumper. Okay, now what am I supposed to do? Use some steam? Yeah, stick your finger right into a kettle. Now we'll try making some special bog out of noodles and super glue. We've applied it to the spatula. Just keep stirring. That's what I'm doing. Now we see where we can stick it. It doesn't want to stick. Damn it. We are getting somewhere. But in order to get this sort of texture happening, it actually does look like bog. Those guys weren't rubbing it. They used the spatula to sort of cut the extra bits off. They were pretty quick to apply the glue. I think they were actually cutting it. What sort of noodles were they using? We don't get those around here. How am I supposed to know? Alright guys, check out the nice patch that the noodles and the glue form together. All we have to do now is rub it all down, check for any irregularities, which there are still plenty of, by the looks of things. To be honest, this is actually taking quite a while. This is an extremely tedious process. And rubbing out all of these imperfections, I mean, it's actually not that easy. Anyway, so we decided to use an angle grinder and check out how clogged up it gets. It might be because of the glue itself. It's starting to look like there's more here than meets the eye. It's really not as easy as we thought. Regardless, we did fill up this hole, which used to go right through the bumper. Filled it up with noodles. I say we throw on some paint and do a bit of torture testing. I am very curious to see how it all holds up. Yeah, nothing to worry about. It's even better than when it rolled out of the factory. This is looking good. Okay, so the paint is dry. And check this out. If you look from a few feet away, it looks as if we've successfully fixed the bumper. It's a shame we have to whack it. But I'm not gonna sleep soundly until we give it a good hit. We have to try it out. We'll let the owner of the car do it. I can imagine what he'd say if I were to... We're always ruining at least one of my cars every week. Go ahead, man. Give it a hit. I'll start by... You want to use the sharp side? For starters, I say we try it this way. It's caving in. Caving in? This could only mean... I might be hitting the plastic. I don't think so. And it cracked. It's pretty dense. The first layer doesn't seem to be very dense. I'm pretty sure there are some pores in there. You know, some empty space. Which is probably why you smashed it so easily. I wasn't even trying. I'm only doing it once, dude, relax. Some dust fell out, and that's it. Yep, that's it. Looks like we should keep going. It's actually holding its own. It's behaving like fiberglass. We've still only got one crack. That might be due to it having caved in at first. Yeah, I mean, it's got nothing to hold on to in there. We didn't solder or anything. Although it isn't detaching from the surrounding plastic. It's actually holding up quite nicely. It passed the test. Right, fellas. So this actually works. Although I wouldn't recommend you trying it yourselves. Go ahead and send in some more videos. We'll happily repeat them. We love us some experiments. And that's all I have for you guys. Watch our videos, subscribe, send in a few suggestions, give us a big thumbs up. Alright, catch you later.